Today we'll learn how to upload videos on YouTube in a very easy steps. Follow along. First, go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Network is slow today. So we are at YouTube. Now you see your channel will be at the right hand corner. That is my own. My channel is there. You can upload it directly here where you click on create, upload video directly. Then you select file. Select file, the video you want to upload. For demonstration sake, let me select this video again. Click on it. Alright, so it's being uploaded. It's being uploaded. After that, you check the title and make sure the title is what you want. You can edit the title. You can edit the title the way you want it. Then you put in the description. What is the video about? You put it over there. After that, you select the playlist. Select the playlist. This is Bible stories. So you click on it. You scroll down. Go to tags. Go to tags. So these are my tags. If you don't know how to select tags, I'll teach you in my next video. Stay tuned. After that, you click on next. And you select end screen. After this video, which video do you want it to pop up? You can select. It can be a video and your subscribe button, or it can be two videos, or it can be a playlist and a subscribe button, or it can be two videos. You select. So at the end of this video, that one is the one to show. Then you save. After that, you go to cards. You want to promote any video. After this video, you want to promote any video, you click on it. Click on it. You go to next. Next, visibility. If you want this video to be published immediately, you click on public. If you want it to be in private and then you do further editing and all, you want to schedule it at the time that you want it to be published, you do that. Then you schedule. You are done. You now allow it to finish uploading. As at now is 1%. As at now is 1%. You wait for it to finish uploading. Thank you very much for watching. If you love any video you want me to do a video on, comment below. Thank you very much.